Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about maths of class 6. I am Megha Halpati from Samarpan Gyan School. We are going to start our next topic, highest common factor. What is highest common factor? Highest common factor means HCF. Now see, on the right side there is four dark lines are given. It is the definition of highest common factor. This you have to write in your book. Okay, you have to give the name of this topic and you have to write this definition of HCF in your book. So what is the definition of HCF? So the highest common factor, it means HCF of two or more given numbers is the highest or greatest. Highest or greatest, you can say anything, highest or greatest of their common factor. Now here one example is given. See, the HCF of 20, 28 and 36 can also be found by prime factorization of these numbers as follows. Now these three numbers you have to find the prime factorization. How to find? We have to find the HCF. Now first we will start from the 20. See, 20. Now how to find the factors of this number? So whenever the last place means the ones place is given 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So it is divisible by 2, which we will already learn in last exercise. When the last number is ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So it is divisible by 2. So what is the half of 20? It is 10. So 10 2s are 20. Now next one is also 10. So here also last ones place is 0. So this also divisible by 2. So 5 2s are 10. Okay. Now the next one, 5. Now 5 is not even number and it is not divisible by any other number. So 1 5 is the 5. Here we will complete the factors of 20. Now we are going on the next step, 28. So see, again here 8 is coming on the last place. So what is the half of this 28? 14. Yes. So 14 2s are, it is 28. Now again 4 is coming. So again what is the half of 14? 7. So 7 2s are 14. Now 1 7s are 7. Okay. And now the third number is 36. So again here 6 is coming. So what is the half of 36? It is 18. So 18 2s are 36. Again 18. 8 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. So 9 2s are 18. Okay. Now 9 is not even number, but it is also not a prime number. It is composite number because it has a factor. So after 2 it is, which number is coming? 3. So you have to check that in 3's table 9 is coming or not. So yes, 3 3s are 9. And at the end 3 is a odd prime number. So there is no factor. So you have to write 1 3s are 3. Now we will write all factors together and we will find the common factors of these three numbers. So you have to write 20. So what is the factors of 20? 2 into 2 into 5. So here you have to write 2 into 2 into 5. What is the factors of 28? 2 into 2 into 7. So write it 2 into 2 into 7. And last one, which is the factors of 36? So it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now you have to make a circle on the common factors. Which numbers are common? So here they are making a rectangle. Okay. So at the end what you have to write? The common factors of 20, 28 and 36 is 2. and is coming twice. Okay, thus HCF of 20, 28 and 36 is 2 into 2 is 4. So what is the HCF of these three numbers? It is 4. Okay, now this way you have to solve this exercise 3.6. okay, A and B it is already explained in the notes. So right now again one more I will show you, C1. So see here, C1 here given 18 and 60. Okay, so first we are going on 18. Now what is the 18? Again it is even number, so what is the half of 18? 9, of course. So 9 2s are 18. Now same way, 9 is again not an odd number. It is odd number but it is not a prime number. So it is divisible by 3. So 3 3s it is 9. And again prime, it is 3 is a prime odd number. So 1 3s are 3. Now the next one, 60. So again 0 is given, so it is divisible by 2. So what is the half of 60? It is 30. So 30 2s are 60. Now again 30. So what is the half of 30? 15. So 15 2s are 30. Now 15. So 15 is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. Yes. 5 3s are 15, or you can say 3 5s are 15. And then 5. Now 5 is odd prime number, so last factor 1 5s are 5. Now you have to write all the factors of these two numbers. So what is the factors of these two numbers? First you have to write the 18's factor. So 2 into 3 into 3. And the factor of 60. 2 into 2 into 30. 3 into 5. Now which are the common factor? 2 and 3. So we will write 2 into 3. And at the end, thus HCF of 18 and 60 is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, this way you have to solve the exercise 3.6. A, B and C is explained, and last one is also explained. Another you have to solve by your own. Okay.